Tesla has done it again. The long-awaited $25,000 Tesla Model 2 is finally coming, and it's about to change everything. From design to battery to software, Elon Musk's dream of an affordable EV is becoming real. But how can Tesla make it this cheap without losing quality? Let's explore the car that could reshape the entire automotive industry, the Tesla Model 2. 3. The Tesla Model 2 has a minimal yet striking design. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is perfect for city life. LED lighting, compact curves, and futuristic styling. Everything screams modern Tesla DNA. Inside, it's a tech paradise. A single touchscreen dashboard, voice controls, and recycled eco-friendly materials. Simple yet elegant.
The real magic lies inside the floor, Tesla's structural battery pack. Powered by next-generation 4680 cells, the Model 2 can travel over 250 miles on a single charge. It's fast, efficient, and built to last. Tesla also redesigned the battery architecture for faster charging and lower production costs. This is not just innovation, it's evolution.
At this price point, you might think Tesla would cut corners. But no, the Model 2 includes Tesla's latest Autopilot and full self-driving features. The system learns from millions of real-world miles and improves through over-the-air updates. Your car gets smarter every time it drives. Make the Model 2 affordable, Tesla reinvented the factory itself. This new approach is called Unboxed Manufacturing. Instead of building cars the traditional way, Tesla assembles sections separately, then brings them together like Lego. It's 40% faster and significantly cheaper. Giga Factory Texas and Giga Mexico will lead this production revolution. Now, here's the shocker, the price. Tesla plans to sell the Model 2 for around $25,000. That's cheaper than most gas cars in America today. And with federal EV tax credits, buyers could pay even less, under $20,000. Production is expected to start in 2026, with deliveries soon after. With the Model 2, Tesla enters a new era, one that will challenge every automaker on Earth. From Toyota to Volkswagen, everyone will have to react. Because Tesla just made electric cars. So, will the Tesla Model 2 become the car that changes everything? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear. The electric future is no longer a dream. It's here, and it's powered by Tesla. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the future of Tesla.